Hey, next time you go to the gym, do this 10-minute HIIT routine and you're gonna feel great and lose some weight. What's going on? Coach Brian here. Welcome to the Criticalbench channel. I'm one of the coaches here and I'm delivering to you right now a 10-minute high-intensity interval style workout. Now this is something you're gonna need to take with you at the gym because you're gonna need some equipment. You're gonna need a rower, an air bike, a set of dumbbells, some battle ropes in there. This is gonna be built all around gym equipment. Now, if you've got a gym at home, great. So knock yourself out. So the format is gonna go something like this. There's 3 blocks of exercises. You've got, and you could fill in the gap. You can do any of these exercises or any exercise you want in this format, but you're gonna go 2 minutes of work, 1 minute rest. So the first minute, I'm gonna be rowing, kind of get my body warmed up a little bit, building up crescendo into that end of the minute, and then I'm gonna go right into some mountain climbers for a minute and then take a minute off. And then I'm gonna go into the next series of exercises, 2 minutes on, 1 minute off. Got the idea? All right, so here are the exercises, here's the program, screenshot it, write down some notes. This is what you're gonna be doing next time in the gym. So we're gonna get started on the rower. If you wanna follow along with me, that's great. It's not gonna be too entertaining to watch me row for a minute, but I'll try to keep you entertained as we go. And again, this doesn't have to be a rower. It can be a treadmill, it can be an elliptical, an air bike, an erg, a ski erg, things like that. So let's go, actually I have the timer on there, but I gotta start my watch a couple seconds early. So again, not going 100% just yet. We're gonna save that for the end. So here we go, 1 minute of rowing, 1 minute of cardio. While you're watching me row, or while you're doing this, and you've got a free hand, underneath this video, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel, click that notification bell, stay up to date when we upload a video. We'd love to engage with you in a different way. So make sure you do that. Got 20 more seconds, then we're going right into those mountain climbers. Ten seconds. All right, that's good. Hop on out, no rest. Get your timer set up. Here we go, 1 minute mountain climbers, let's go. And when doing these climbers, try to get all the movement to come from the lower body. Upper body is strong and stable. And if you need to slow it down to do something like this, or if you want to mix it up for a cross body, that's fine. Halfway. Keep working. Keep climbing. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. Take a 1 minute off. Catch your breath a little bit. Recover. We're gonna get set up for a dumbbell burpee, thruster, and some single whips. So you're gonna get the rope set up. Get yourself set up with the ropes, get yourself some dumbbells, make a little room. Still resting. So we've got, let me get my clock back up here. 20 more seconds, let me get some dumbbells. All right. We're getting close. Gotta be getting close. All right, so we're gonna go. That's what we're doing. single whips into a reverse lunge. Here we go. Doing this for 1 minute, alternating. Now, if you don't have ropes in your gym, throw something else in there. I mean, you can get back on the rower, get on the air bike. If you want to throw in some push-ups or shoulder taps, be creative. We've got enough videos here on our channel that I know you'll get plenty of ideas, something you could substitute this for. And if you want to throw in some double whips, just keep moving. 10 more seconds. I just realized I did this out of order. I think. Maybe not. All right, let's get to those dumbbell thrusters. All right, I started 5 seconds late. Here we go. Let's go 30 more seconds. Yeah, these are tough. Now, 10 more seconds. Good. 1 minute off. Now while we're resting, talking about weight loss for a moment. What I need you to do, underneath this video, I share with you the 3 lies the weight loss industry needs you to believe. So check out that pin link underneath in the comment section and see how I expose what's going on in that industry. So go check that out. Got half a minute. What we're doing next, rocket lunges. I don't know why I continue to throw those in there. 30 seconds on the right, 30 seconds on the left, and a Renegade Row to squat curl. I don't know why I made this up, because this is gonna suck. So really, we're working for the next 3 minutes. So that intro screen, that screen that I gave you at the beginning of this video, sorry, I lied on it. I don't care. I'm here to help you get healthy and get that body you want. Here we go, 30 seconds. Left side. Nice and controlled. Maybe I didn't lie, because now I'm just thinking about doing the math. Hang on, and my screen just went dim. Everything's falling apart right now. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Other side, let's switch. So we got 30 seconds on left side, 30 seconds on right side. And then we're gonna do a minute. Yeah, I didn't lie. Sometimes I just need to be quiet and do what I said I was gonna do. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, keep moving. Get those dumbbells. Renegade row to that squat curl. All right, here we go. Jump in, curl. Almost there. All right, there we go. Yeah. Hey, thanks for working out with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this workout. Hopefully you're gonna try it on your next gym day. And after you do, I want you to drop a comment underneath this video and let me know how it went. Not only that, but I want you to subscribe to our channel. Please do that. Click that red subscribe button. Be part of our channel here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. And I know if you really liked it, you won't mind sharing this with your friends, your family members, or anybody you can benefit from this workout. And last but not least, please go check out the myths, the lies that I expose in that 3 lies the weight loss industry needs you to believe document that I put together just for you. So underneath this video, in the pinned comment section, or in the comment section, there's that pinned link. Go check it out. I'm telling you, it's gonna transform the way you think about exercise. So that's it. I'm Coach Brian here with Critical Bench. Have an awesome day.